We're starting day 2, and after a day, we are looking like this. So again, we're trying to go for the offset serrated knife. So you can see we've got our, kind of the finger area back here, and we can see where the offset is starting. Today, basically, the big thing, I think what we're going to have to do is make sure that this thickness gets more even. Obviously, it's going to need to be straightened out. And then we really need to work on getting this handle figured out. This thing is, what did we say, right around 7 inches so far?
Right.
So that's a pretty decent length for an offset serrated knife. We might get just a hair more length by the time we, squish this a little bit closer to shape. But I think we're about ready to get the forge going. So
Hell yeah.
let's give her. To get this day started out, I took the first heat. Honestly, looking back, I probably should have just let Nick take this heat since this is his knife and I want him to do most of the forging on this thing. Nick is back swinging the hammer, and here he is just trying to refine the overall shape and make sure that the thickness is getting way more uniform. That is totally needed, and we're honestly kind of close on this. Harder, like you're just giving it taps. But I really need to invest in a hardy hole cutoff attachment because I'm getting sick and tired of using this angle grinder to cut off the rest of the handle. You can see here that Nick is taking instruction incredibly well. He was absolutely fantastic in the shop. Just up, just right here.
Okay. Still has some heat to it.
Rounded side, Nick. Oh, it is. Sorry. Now squish it flat. Both sides. Nick is refining the overall handle shape with this heat. Yeah. I'd say it's a good profile. Yeah, keep straightening out those. Keep doing those. Nick is using the cross peen on the 3-pound hammer to lengthen his overall length on his handle, and I am super proud of us for not making the obvious joke here. Too much of an angle. Now flatten it because you were waving it. Now, what I was talking about Nick is doing some nice light planishing blows here to just kind of even out all of the surfaces of the steel. This will take out all of the unnecessary hammer marks just to make a much more beautiful looking blade. Okay, now look at it straight. Straight. Well, then fix it. Well, it's too late now. It's too cold.
Right, I need to hit it there.
Well, let's go ahead and put in the stamp. Putting in a hot stamp is a super finicky process, so Nick wanted me to do it. Get ready, here's my Jimmy DiResta impression. That looks straight, it is straight. We have lined out his final blade shape on the steel with a Sharpie. So here Nick is just grinding down to those lines. He does an incredibly good job for being the very first time he is jumping on the grinder like this. So kudos to him, man. He looks damn near professional here. Look at him grind all calm, cool, and collected. Here Nick is grinding in some grooves for epoxy to flow into. This allows for perfect stiction of the handle material to the metal. We did 4 different normalizing cycles. I just didn't want to bore you guys with watching all of them. This is the most scary process, the oil quench. And lucky for us, there were absolutely no cracks. That is the end of the day for me and Nick in the shop. I think he's doing an absolutely fantastic job, especially considering that this is his very first fully forged knife, and I really appreciate the quality time I'm able to spend with him right here in the shop. And I also appreciate every single one of you guys for supporting my small business. Please go ahead and check out my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages. And while you're here on YouTube, check out my other YouTube videos. I have a lot of quality content, and you should be seeing a lot more of me now, especially now that I am putting more time and effort into these videos to get more content out there. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Have a great rest of your day.